So, as we have already studied the introduction to services marketing, let us revise in a very nutshell and sweet manner. First of all, welcome back to the video series lecture, and thank you so much for joining us. Now, services plays a very vital role in economy, and it advances the economic through the world, which is dominated by services. Service is very critical success. Service got a very critical success factor for all the companies, and it became a very important, variant. Because of this, each and every company is now booming. अगर आपको कोई सर्विस नहीं दे रहा है, whether you are buying a product or whether you are utilizing a services, that means you are losing the customer, right? If the company is not providing you proper services, that means the company is losing the customer. Now, with every growth, with every development, the important or behind the scene is played by services. If you're going to buy a refrigerator, the service of that particular store, that particular outlet, that particular salesperson matters, and that is why the services is also are like challenges. तो सर्विस एक चैलेंज जैसे बन के आया है हमारे लिए, और बीइंग एन सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हमें वो फुलफिल करना ही है। ठीक है, जब हम सर्विस देते हैं किसी को, तभी जाके हम लोग सर्विस बनाते हैं। So basically, every day we deal with services. For example, whether you take a taxi to office, go to a beauty parlor for hair cutting and grooming, talk to airphone, use our debit or credit cards for making payments, go to doctor for medical examination, orders food with restaurant, send document, gift through courier, access internet for browsing, or go to a multiplex. We interact with service every none and then. ठीक है, so every second we are utilizing the service of something. If you are using your mobile, you are utilizing your services. So it has become a very crucial part and parcel of our life. We cannot avoid ourselves to expose with services of any kind in our day-to-day life. See, right now also you are utilizing the service of your institution, service of a teacher, because we all are taking online lectures, and because of this you are consuming your services. So in this way, we are connected, we are continuously in the loop of services. So we use an array of services every day, right? These are the list. How we use: talking to phone, credit, debit cards, riding a bus, ATM machine, haircut, medical examination, college, library, canteen, hostel, bookstores, post office, internet access, bank, food, and entertainment. So by using all these things in our day-to-day life, we are consuming the services and utilizing the services. The service sector of an economy is called as a tertiary sector. It is one of the three economic sectors, the other being the secondary sector as manufacturing, and the primary sector as agriculture, fishing, and extraction, such as mining. So the primary sector is of agricultural, fishing, extraction. Second became the manufacturing, and third and the most important sector being the service sector, and that's why it is called as tertiary sector. Services may involve transportation of goods which are produced for the consumers, and maybe services like providing you proper services or logistical services. So it may involve the provision of services such as watching Salman Khan's movie in the PVR. The goods may be transformed in the process of providing the services. So basically what we are doing, if we watch a movie, we are watching a product, right? So movie is a product which is created, manufactured, made by few number of people. Now they can be a director, they can be anyone who uses the services. Am I audible now? Hello? Yes, thank you so much for your confirmation. So we were talking about the services. From the last 10 decades, there has been substantial shift from the primary and secondary sector to the tertiary sector. Now everyone has understood that services are very important. Okay. See, even if any guest comes to our home, use the services. What we do, we give them water, we give them some snacks or tea, we invite them for lunch, and then we provide them some food, right? So, whatever we are doing, each and every activity is a service, and this service or the concept of service was utilized more by the persons or people or the industry who manufactures the product, and that is why the initially the concept has started called after sales services. So if you're buying a product, you will get an after sales services, and then few organization also started before sales services. What are before sales services? These services are nothing but the services which are provided before the buying of product. Now, what could be the services? Informing or providing knowledge about product, providing some financial support, or informing in detail about the product, training about the product. Not exactly like कि ये बटन से ये होगा वो बटन से होगा, but explaining in general way that this is the computer, this is the CPU, this is the laptop, and this is the start button. In this way you will utilize your laptop or mobile phone, right? So whatever it is, before buying any services, before buying is called as before sales services. So services are nothing but an act or performance offered by one party to another party, and it may be processed by physical product. The performance is essentially intangible and does not lead to ownership of any of the factors of production. So service provider may change, service receiver may change, the way of providing the service may change, and that depends on person to person, right? Now let us move ahead to the roles of services in modern economy, as we have already understood and studied the concept of services in our previous video lecture. So service sector in India has contributed around 52% of India's GDP, right? And in 2014-15, in values of the term sector has contributed to US dollar 783 billions into the 2014 and 15, and is growing at the compound annual growth rate, that is CAGR, of 9%, which is faster than the overall GDP of CAGR of 6.2% in the past 4 years. So in the past 4 years, it was growing at the rate of 6.2% per annum. But in the last year, or in the year 2014-15, it grew about 9%. The service sector is not only the dominant sector in India's GDP, but has also attracted significant foreign investment flows, which contributed significantly to export as well as provide large-scale employment. India's service sector covers a wide variety of activities such as trade, hotel, and restaurant, sports, storage, and communication. So basically, what we are understanding is the contribution towards the economy was very huge by the service sector from the year 2014-15 till date. Till the year 2014-15, or before the year 2014-15, or from last 4 years previous to 14-15, the growth rate was 6.9%. But then in the year 2014-15, the growth rate changed to 9%. So it's a rapid boost. So according to the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, that is DIPP, the Indian services has attracted the highest amount of FDI. FDI means foreign direct investment. So FDI equity inflow in the period of April 2000 September 2015. So from April 2000 year to April 2015, it amounted to $45.38 billion, which is about 17% of the total foreign inflow. So majority of the foreign direct investment were into the service marketing. Now there are some examples you will read once I provide you the PDF. Example is of an Amazon. Example is of a taxi services aggregator called Ola Plans. Now what they are doing, they are giving us services. right? So simply they have some services, there's some financial data is provided, and how much expansion they have done there, it has been mentioned. Now, in a very nutshell, we will understand factors contributing growth of services as we have another class to take at 10:45. So we will quickly wind this lecture. Now, factors contributing growth of service sector in India. What are the factors जिनकी वजह से सर्विस सेक्टर में बहुत सारी ग्रोथ हुई? गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज. The reform of 1991 eased out the government policies. Government helped each and every one, or the industrialist or the retailers, and allowed people to do services and provided significant guidance, and the government has taken significant steps to promote the service sector in India. Government regulations and privatization has given a very important and very major boost to the service sector in India. Now, when it comes to social change, the last 2 decades, India has seen a radical change in the behavior of expectations of consumer. Consumers started expecting number of things, and they started expecting some attention. They started expecting some knowledge, and that's why the service sector has grown up. Customers or the clients or the buyers were expecting services from the point of entering till the point of exiting the retail outlet. For example, Starbucks not only sell one of the finest roasted coffee but also provide an incredible espresso which they call as a Starbucks experience to their customer. The world's largest coffee chain believes to provide an outstanding customer services to their customers. So basically what they are doing, they are giving services, and because of that social change has been done. Now there are business trends, and service became a very challenging task, and that is why the trend of business also changed rapidly. Manufacturers are now adding value through services. They're providing after sale services, before sale services. The example is McDonald's level compromises on their QSCV, that is quality, services, cleanliness, and values principles, while giving their franchising staff are trained by the company to provide the standard services throughout the chain of McDonald's. So whenever or wherever you go, we provide the services of McDonald's will be same. Now, next is advances in information technology. Now, because of advancement in the information technology or in the advancement of technology, it became easier and faster for the services firm to provide quality services to the customer. We can inform our customer about the lockdown or setting of our business by uh, few clicks, right? So if you click one button, the SMS email is delivered to your customer. Example is given, that is ICICI Bank offered instant account opening services to their customer, whereby the sales executive of ICICI go to meet their customer with a tablet where the executive can click the photograph of the customer, fill up the account opening form instantly, and open a bank account, and then they can use the bank account. Then last one is internationalization. After opening up of the boundary through globalization, we have been some service excellent from to come to India. So when the globalization started, the internationalization of business started, the foreign companies who used to provide services started entering to India. Now these companies are majorly into technologies or IT firms. The companies are like Dell, Samsung, Accenture, IBM, who worked on transnational basis and assimilated the best practices across the globe, and they raised the level of services provided to the customer. So we have also received services which were basic. We have then grown up to providing services on a moderate level, and then when the internationalization took place, the services boosted, and now we are giving premium services. See, for example, we used to watch movies on theater on big screens. We used to go to theaters, and then we used to watch movies on big screens, which is called as box office, right? But now the world has changed. Everyone has got Android or digital phone, and technology is boosting. And because of that, few platforms started providing movies on your screen. Now, it can be a small screen, it can be your computer, it can be your laptop, it can be your mobile, it can be any technological device from where you can access that particular application and log in and you can watch the movies or series. These examples are Netflix and Amazon. And by watching these Netflix and Amazon, each and every channel who has got channel on television and providing a satellite TV channel, they have also started their digital channels like Z5, Sony Live, right? They have also started telecasting their serials, their episodes on Sony Lives or Z5s. So basically, because of services, the boost is taking place, and services are very important or crucial thing. See, if we, being teacher, are not providing you knowledge which you require, that means we are not fulfilling the expectation of our students, right? So that's it for today. If you have any doubt, then you can message in the chat box or else type no doubt in your chat box.